Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In this short R tutorial, I want to show you how you can replace values based on conditions in a data table. For that, I'm just going to import a simple example, and when we look at that, you see here 5 different columns. So we have IDs, we have names, scores, time, and also dates. And what we now want to do, we actually want to replace all the scores which are above 70, for example, this one, we want to replace them by the number of 70. And also in this case, we would replace the score for Lily and assign her 70. For that, we are just going to specify our column which we want to focus on. Then we specify the condition. So if the score in a specific row is bigger or equal 70, then we want to replace that numerical value with 70. So when we now run that and look again at our table, then we see for Mia we get a score of 70, and also for Lily we got a score of 70. And now when we actually want to replace a string in a specific column, so for example there is a typo and the name isn't correctly assigned, then we can just use the same structure as above. So first we specify which column we want to focus, then we specify the condition. So if in the column name we have one row which is equal to Ben, then we want to replace it with Tom. When we now run that and look again at the table, then you actually see previously we had Ben here, but now we got Tom there. If this really simple example helped you to start with R, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks a lot and see you next time.